when there is a subtraction sign in between two integers, what I want you to follow that common rule is keep, change, change. What does that mean? I'm talking only about the signs over here, okay? Keep this as it is, whatever is first. Change minus to plus and change plus to minus. Change means plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. Welcome back to my channel, Crack It with CK. Let us see today what we have. Okay, this is a sheet of integer rules. So it is the addition of integers. Okay, so mind you, there is going to be a plus sign in between all the integers over here. Look, all the integers are addition, and these two integers that needs to be added are going to be in the bracket. So let us see what we have to do. Now look at the first one. It's positive 3 and positive 5. Both are positive. What do we need to do in that case? What is the operation that we need to do? We need to add it. Now when we add, what do we get? 3 plus 5 is 8. Just add it. Which sign are we going to put? We will put a positive sign. Now I'm going to do a lot of examples. So if you all will sit with a book and a pen and practice along, your confidence will really be very high by the end of this video. Trust me on that. Okay, the next one. If both the integers are negative, this is negative, negative, and this is addition of two negative integers. What do we need to do in that case? We again add both the numbers. Whatever numbers are there, like 4 and 6, just add. So the answer is 10. And which sign will we put? Negative sign. So now again I'm bringing the first one. Over here it is positive, positive. You will add, that means you add the numbers. It is positive 8. When both are negative also you will add, but the sign will be negative. Okay, now in the next one is positive and one is negative. Whenever we are adding two integers in which one is positive and one is negative, we subtract the numbers and write the sign of the larger number. Now what does this even mean? Subtract, like 7 and 3. If you subtract, what do you get? 4. Out of this, which is the larger integer? I mean the bigger number. 7 is bigger, so we put the sign of 7 over here. And the next one, it is negative 5 and positive 8. Now I don't want you to think that how can we subtract 8 from 5? Okay, if you can't do that, subtract 5 from 8. You have to just carry out the normal subtraction of smaller number from the larger number, ignoring the placing of it. Okay, so 8 minus 5 is 3. Again, sign of the larger number. Which is larger over here? 8 is larger. Which sign does it have? Positive, plus 3. These are the 4 rules that you have to remember for your integers to be very strong. Now I'm going to do a lot of examples, so let us do it together. Come on. Okay, let's begin solving the examples. So the very first one, let us remove the bracket. Now what do I mean by remove the bracket? I don't want brackets, okay? Just to write the numbers along with its sign. Here it is, positive 4, positive 7. Remove the brackets. What you have to do is just copy this down. Because there is addition over here, there is no need to change anything. Why am I talking about change? Because that happens in subtraction, which we are going to do very soon. Positive and positive, add and write the plus sign. Next one, again positive and positive. So plus 9 plus 3, 12 plus 12. Again positive. 11. Okay, first we have to remove the bracket, sorry. So plus 6 plus 5. You add and write the positive sign. Next one, again remove the bracket. So I just want you to put this minus 3 minus 8. Okay, what do we do in this case? We add the numbers 8, 9, 10, 11 and write the minus sign. The next one, minus and minus. Okay, minus 5 minus 6. We add the numbers minus 11. Sum number 6. Minus 7 minus 4. Add the numbers minus 11. Oh, seriously, are we getting 11 everywhere? Okay, look at the next one now. One is negative and one is positive. First, remove the brackets. Okay, keep everything as it is. What do we do, guys? One is subtraction, one is addition. Write the sign of the greater number. What does that mean? Out of 3 and 8, which is greater? 8 is greater. So I'm going to take the plus sign from 8. But we are going to subtract. 8 minus 3 is 5. So positive 5 is your answer. Next one, remove the bracket. Plus 5 minus 9. One is plus, one is minus. Sign of the greater number and subtract. Question number 9. Again, minus 6 plus 2. One is plus, one is minus. So we subtract sign of the greater number. Question number 10. Plus 7 minus 4. One is plus, one is minus. I'm going to subtract sign of the greater number. Okay, these are the rules to be followed for addition. Now in subtraction, let us see what we have. In subtraction, there is one additional step that you have to do. Everything else is the same. That step is at the beginning of the sum only. Let us see what I'm talking about. You know, when there is a subtraction sign in between two integers, what I want you to follow, that common rule is keep, change, change. What does that mean? I'm talking only about the signs over here, okay? Keep this as it is, whatever is first. Change minus to plus and change plus to minus. Change means plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. From subtraction to addition. Okay. Plus 8. Keep it as it is. Minus becomes plus and positive 3 becomes negative 3. Now what have we done? We have made this addition of integers. Now again apply the same rules that we have been doing so far. So plus 8 minus 3, we will subtract and write the sign of the greater number. Question number 12. What are the rules? Keep, change, change. When do you do this? When there is a minus sign in between the two integers. So keep this as it is. So it's minus 4. Keep it as it is. Change, change positive negative 6 to positive 6. Okay. Now this is our usual integer rule we have to follow. One is plus, one is minus. We subtract, we get 2, sign of the greater number. Question number 13. Again, keep, change, change. Keep. Okay. Plus 5, change, change. Now this becomes plus 5 plus 7. We add and write the plus sign. Question number 14. Because there is a minus sign in between, we do keep, change, change. Minus 3 plus minus 9. So this is minus 3 minus 9. It becomes sign is minus 12. Keep, change, change. Keep this as it is. Change minus to plus. Change negative 2 to positive 2. That's it. Now write it without the brackets. Subtraction, sign of the greater number. Okay, this is it. Now we are going to do a mix of both addition and subtraction. Let us quickly do that. Here is the mixed practice. Okay, so when there is a plus sign in between, guys, what is the step? Plus 7, no change, nothing, no change anywhere. Now just apply the rules. Positive 10. Question 2, oh, there is a minus sign in between. So what do we do here? Keep, change, change. Keep it as it is. Minus 4. Change, change. Change, change means negative becomes positive, plus 6 becomes minus 6. Now this is negative 4 and negative 6, which is negative 10. Question number 3. Is there a need to change anything over here? No, it is addition. So straight away minus 5 minus 3, we will add and write the minus sign. Question number 4 of our mixed practice. What do we need to do here? Keep, change, change. Why do we need to do that? Because this is subtraction over here. So keep it as it is, positive 8. Change minus to plus and change negative 2 to positive 2. Now this, just write it without the brackets. And your final answer is plus 10. Question number 5, there is no need to change anything here because it is addition of integers. So we will just write the numbers without the bracket. Positive and negative, the final, we have to subtract 4 from 6, which is 2, sign of the greater number, minus 2. This is the last sum. We have to use keep change over here. Yes. Okay, keep it as it is. Change. Okay, what is this? Okay, plus 5 minus 5. Okay, when one is plus, one is minus, we write 0 is neither positive nor negative. So keep it as it is. So whenever you come across something like where a positive and a negative integers are together, okay, like plus 7 minus 7, plus 96 minus 96, straight away 0. Don't even think anything because you're subtracting it, right? Okay, now I'm going to put the test on the board. I want you to write your answers in the comment section below. If you think you need to revise, just go through the video just once more, revise the rules, and then attempt the test. Here, this is it. Pause the video. I will be waiting for your answers in the comment section. Okay, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.